Welcome to Boundless Estates. This is your daily look at real estate from across the country. Each day, we search Zillow to uncover unique and affordable homes. These range from off-grid cabins to truly one-of-a-kind properties. Our mission is to find the hidden deals so you don't have to. Today, we're talking about a property in Gate City, Virginia that sits on 72 acres of rolling countryside. It even has its own stretch of river, perfect for fishing, kayaking, or just relaxing by the water. The home is a brick ranch that was originally built in 1957. Over the years, it has been fully renovated, so what you see today is a blend of timeless charm and modern comfort. The updates include oak hardwood floors throughout, a newer roof that is just 2 years old, and windows that were replaced only 3 years ago. The plumbing and electrical systems have also been modernized. That means you can move in with confidence, knowing the big projects have already been taken care of. Inside, the layout is practical and welcoming. You will find 3 bedrooms and 1 full bathroom on the main level, with about 1,400 square feet of living space. The basement doubles that footprint, offering another 1,400 square feet. It is unfinished, but it has plumbing in place for a partial bath and plenty of room to create a workshop, storage area, or even more living space in the future. The laundry hookups are located on both levels, so you have options for convenience. The way this home was built is also worth noting. With 2x6 walls, it is sturdier and better insulated than many homes of its time. It is currently connected to city water, but natural spring water is also piped to the property. That is a rare feature and one that gives you flexibility and independence. Now let's talk about the land. 72 acres is a lot to take in. Some of it is open pasture, ideal for farming or livestock, while other sections are wooded, creating privacy and space for hunting, hiking, or exploring. This balance of open fields and forest makes the property versatile. You can raise animals, plant crops, or simply enjoy wide open views and wooded trails without ever leaving your land. There are also multiple barns and outbuildings already in place, along with a detached 2-car garage and extra covered parking. If you need storage for equipment, a place for animals, or room for hobbies, you are set up from the start. And of course, there is the river. More than 300 feet of water access runs along the property, giving you your own private place to fish, launch a kayak, or sit by the water at the end of the day. That connection to the outdoors is something you cannot put a price on. Gate City itself has a story that adds even more character. Founded in the early 1800s, the town was first called Estelville, before becoming Gate City in 1886. The name comes from its role as the gateway through the mountains of Southwest Virginia. Today, it remains a quiet, welcoming community. If you enjoyed this tour, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Boundless Estates for more unique real estate finds from across the country. And in the comments, let me know, what would you do with 72 acres of your own?